In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all events from a Google Calendar. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as easy and efficient as possible. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. In your browser search bar, type in Google Calendar and press enter. You should see the Google Calendar website appearing as the first result in your search. Click on this link to open up Google's Calendar platform. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, the next step is to log in. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Go ahead and enter your email address. After you've done this, click on the next button to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure it's the same one associated with the email address you just entered. After typing in your password, simply click Next to access your Google Calendar. Now that you're in your Google Calendar, you need to identify the specific calendar from which you want to delete events. Look on the left-hand side of the screen where your calendars are listed. Find the calendar in question and locate the three vertical dots next to it. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. This command takes you to a new page where you can change various settings for your calendar. Here, scroll down until you find the Remove Calendar section. You'll see an option to delete your calendar here. Once you click Delete, you're not quite finished yet. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this calendar and all of its events permanently. If you're certain about this decision, confirm by clicking Permanently Delete. And that's it. Your selected Google Calendar is now deleted, along with all its events. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so make sure that this is really what you want to do before you confirm the permanent deletion. Deleting all events from a calendar could be necessary for various reasons, whether you're starting afresh, decluttering, or managing changes in your schedule. However, once you've done this, make sure to cross-reference your other calendars to ensure you're on track. Thanks for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in assisting you with managing your Google Calendar more effectively. If you have further questions or need clarification on other processes, feel free to check our additional tutorials. Bye for now.